I don't know if you can tell how windy it is outside. The wind is just like it's going off and on, like really blowing hard, and then it lightens up, and then it blows hard again, and then it lightens up. Anyways, um, we were supposed to go walking. You can see right there from that tree. It's blowing really hard again. Supposed to go walking with the doggies, but it's so windy outside. So we're laying on the couch. We're just being lazy. We're being lazy. We're watching the cooking show. We're being lazy. Oh, little girl. We didn't go for a walk, huh? Because it's so windy. And I worked all day yesterday from 7:30, excuse me, 7:30 to almost 9:30 or 9:30. So I'm relaxing. I'm tired. I went and got my nails done today and did some cleaning, and I'm ready to go to bed already. I'm already tired. Yeah. So we just being lazy tonight.